Okay, this is Sunday's edition of Witches for Wellness, and I'm going to ask you what is in your fridge, and I'm going to show you what's in mine. And I want video responses. I want to know what's in your fridge. So let's see. This is a leftover smoothie. I've got some red peppers, some hummus, some spread, that's coconut, it's milk, orange juice, my son's Gatorade, brown eggs, and on the bottom I've got vegetable broth, more orange juice, all kinds of fruits, and well, these are vegetables, all kinds of vegetables. And here's the here's the roast we're going to have today. I'm going to make a roast with potatoes and carrots. Here's some cheese and some sandwich meat. Those are my son's hot dogs. Here's what's in: salad dressing, caramel topping, flaxseed, jellies, jams. I've got some almond milk, and behind that I have my Green Machine Naked Juice, and I found the equivalent at Trader Joe's for a lot less than what I found Green Machine at the grocery store. But yeah, this is what's in my fridge. Let me open up the crisper bins. There's all my vegetables in here. Some of them I'll be cutting up. I'll be cutting them up later on. Sorry about the stuttering. I'll be cutting some of those up later on to freeze. And here's what's in my fruit bin. And I will show you what's in the freezer in just a second. I need to straighten this up. Okay. That's what's in the fridge. This is what's in the freezer. All my smoothie mix stuff, my fruits for smoothies. In here I've got all kinds of fish, single serving fish because I'm the only one that really eats it, and then more strawberries. I'm going to put those down there. Yep, that's basically all that there is, and I'm not the one that smokes, in case you saw the cigarettes. I went yesterday and got quite a few things at Trader Joe's, and got a pretty good deal. Alright, so now tell me, what is in your fridge?